Varanasi or Kashi, a city as old as time, has been the center of learning and civilization for over 5,000 years. In part 1 of the video on Varanasi, we took a journey across the city and got to know about the religious and cultural significance of this place, which is said to be one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. Now, in part 2 of this video series, let us take a look at some of the religious and cultural festivals and ceremonies performed here, which attracts millions of pilgrims and tourists to flock here every year.
जो नर मैया जी को ध्याता मन वांछित फल पाता जय गंगे माता। चंद्र सी ज्योत
India's holy river Ganges plays a central role in the life of Hindus. An arati is a fire ritual performed to show gratitude to the river and ask for her blessings. It involves the chanting of hymns, ringing of bells, offering of prayer with fire, flowers, and more. Every evening around sunset, hundreds of people gather at the Dasashwamedha Ghat to witness the Ganga Arati. In the morning, before sunrise, the Arati is performed at Assi Ghat by young priests, typically 7, each dressed in saffron colored clothes, which includes a kurta and a dhoti and is tightly bound with a long gamcha or towel. The ceremony begins with the blowing of a conch shell and ringing of bells.
त्रिभुवन सुखदाता जय गंगे माता।
Through the Arati, an Agni Puja or praying with fire is performed, which is a commitment that is made to Lord Shiva and the goddess of Ganges, Surya, the sun god, Agni, the fire god, as well as the whole universe. The priests each wave incense sticks and hold up large flaming lamps while chanting mantras to the goddess Ganga. Their movements are synchronized, and the crowd listens in silence while they perform the ceremonial acts. On some special occasions, such as when Dev Diwali is celebrated, the Arati is even more elaborate and the whole place is lit with diyas or lamps.
तेरी दया से जो जन तेरी कृपा से सोनल सदगति है। जो जन नित गाता दास वही है सहज में, भक्त वही है सहज में, मुक्ति को पाता। जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता मैया, जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुमको ध्याता, जो नर मैया जी को ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता।
विश्वेशं माधवं धुन्धिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवं वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्.
Do not confuse Dev Diwali with the festival of Diwali. Though both are festivals of light, they are extremely different in rituals. Celebrated every year in the sacred city of Varanasi, Dev Diwali marks Lord Shiva's victory over demon Tripurasur and comes after 15 days of when Diwali is celebrated. Therefore, the festival is also known by the name of Tripurotsav and is observed in the day of Kartik Purnima, which is the first full moon day after Diwali.
शनि राहु केतवः कुर्वन्तु सर्वे भुवि सुप्रभातम्. वाराणसी स्थित गजानन ढुण्ढिराज तापत्रयापहरणे प्रथित प्रभाव आनन्दकन्दलकुल प्रसवैकभूमे नित्यं समस्तजगतः कुरु सुप्रभातम्. ब्रह्मद्रवोपमितगाङ्गपयः प्रवाहैः पुण्यैः सदैव परिचुम्बितपादपद्मे मध्येऽखिलामरगणैः परिसेव्यमाने श्रीकाशिके कुरु सदा भुवि सुप्रभातम्. प्रत्रैरसङ्ख्यमठमन्दिरतीर्थकुण्ड प्रासादघट्टनिवहैर्विदुषाभरैश्च आवर्जयस्यखिल विश्वमनांसि नित्यम्. श्रीकाशिके कुरु सदा भुवि सुप्रभातम्. केवानरानुसुधियः कुधियो धियो वा वाञ्छन्ति नान्तसमये शरणं भवत्याः. हे कोटि कोटि जनमुक्तिविधानदक्षे श्रीकाशिके कुरु सदा भुवि सुप्रभातम्. या देवैरसुरैर्मुनीन्द्रतनयैर्गन्धर्वयक्षोरगैः नागैर्भूतलवासिभिर्द्विजवरैः संसेविता सिद्धये. या गङ्गोत्तरवाहिनी परिसरे तीर्थैरसङ्ख्यैर्वृता सा काशी त्रिपुरारिराजनगरी देया सदा मङ्गलम्.
The festival of Ganga Mahotsav is an occasion to showcase the rich and cultural heritage of Varanasi. With its message of faith and culture, the festival features popular cultural programs with classical music and dance, a country boat race, a daily Shilpa Mela, which is the arts and crafts fair, which includes sculptures and displays of Rangoli, which is an art form originating in the Indian subcontinent, in which patterns are created on the floor with flowers, lights, and colored powder. On the final day, which coincides with the traditional Dev Diwali, the ghats of the Ganga river glitter with more than 1 million lit up earthen lamps.
Charanachyutam Tripurari.
The festival is a major tourist attraction and the sight of million lamps, both floating and fixed, lighting the ghats and river in vivid colors, have often been described by visitors and tourists as a breathtaking sight. On the night of the festival, more than 5 million devotees from the holy city of Varanasi, its surrounding villages, and even from across the country gather in the evening on the ghats of the Ganges to light these clay lamps or diyas. Each lamp has to be individually filled with oil. A wick is placed inside and then lit. The lamps have to be replenished throughout the evening since they are left burning for several hours. Before morning, the whole place is cleaned up though, and you will not see any of the lamps lying around.
Mangalam Deya Sada Mangalam.
On this auspicious day, a large number of devotees come together to pray to the goddess Ganga and offer flowers and light clay lamps known as diyas in the evening. This act of offering lit up lamps to the Ganga is called Deepdan. As the sun goes down, every single step of the staircase at all the Varanasi ghats glitter with thousands of diyas, which look absolutely gorgeous. Besides the ghats, all the temples in the city are also beautifully lit by the lamps. Dev Diwali in Varanasi is an experience worth remembering. During this celestial manifestation, every corner of the city comes alive with bright colors and glowing diyas. It looks like the stars have fallen down on the earth to make the city all the more beautiful. People are also of the view that on this day of Dev Diwali, all the gods descend to Varanasi to bathe in the Ganges, a fact that makes this festival extremely popular. It is an experience not to be missed.